Wagwan. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make Chaney root punch, the real Jamaican trangbak. Even though I'm not using trangbak, however, Chaney root is a member of the Jamaican trangbak roots family. Chaney root boils with trangbak, raw moon, ogmetite, medina, and some other roots, gives a good tonic. And men say that it helps with their stamina and virility. Now, Chaney root is said to be the only roots that have the aphrodisiac properties. Chaney root is high in iron, therefore it is good for people with low blood count, people who are anemic. Yeah man, Chaney root is good for them, as well as arthritis and rheumatism. Hope I pronounces that word correctly. Yeah man. So people, please be careful when buying Chaney root online, because some things that people are selling and calling them Chaney root, it is not Chaney root. So please be careful of what you purchase online, thinking that it is Chaney root. The Chaney root should wash properly. Wash it many times as possible. So I put a pot with 4 cups of water and then added the Chaney root. I am boiling the Chaney roots for 30 minutes uncovered. After 30 minutes, turn off heat and allow the tonic to cool. I strain the tonic twice, once using a strainer and then use a clean dish towel. Now, I am going to put the Chaney root into the sun to dry and then store it in a brown paper bag into the cupboard. That's what you call pantry overseas. Yes, because it can use at least 2 times more, because it is really strong. This is the Chaney root tonic. Pour into a glass bottle and store into a dry place such as the cupboard. That's what you call pantry overseas. Now, you can drink a teaspoon whenever you're ready, but don't drink it that often, you know. You can drink it like 2 times for a month or so. And remember that I am not a doctor, right? So don't drink it for every sickness that you might be feeling. You should go to a medical doctor. You understand? Yeah, man. So I am going to use this to make a punch, because me like Chaney root punch. Not even like, me love Chaney root punch. Now to make the Chaney root punch, I am adding a little bit of sweetened condensed milk to the tonic. Yes, man. Give it a good stir until the milk dissolved properly. You don't want to add too much condensed milk, because you do not want to over sweeten the punch, right? Remember to share my videos and subscribe and click the post notification bell. 2 teaspoons of vanilla as well as grated nutmeg. Give it a good stir. Then put in the fridge to be chill and enjoy. It is so light and refreshing. Chaney root is so difficult to source because it is way up into the hills. I'm still waiting on Mr. Trangbak. That is the Trangbak ingredient. Yeah, man. So, thanks for watching. God bless. Walk good until next time.